Hey makers, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. And today I'm going to be talking about how to identify your target market. This is a critical piece of marketing information to determine when you're starting out your candle line, or any other products you're making for that matter. It is so key to understand who you're targeting to because it plays into almost every aspect of your branding and the visual look of your products as well. I always say you can't be everything to everyone, nor do you want to. Identify who your niche is and rule it. So if you're targeting a more natural audience, you want to tailor your product to that. You might use a natural wax, natural fragrance oil, and eco-friendly packaging. If you're targeting a consumer who shops at Anthropologie and is looking for something a bit more chic and trendy, then you might consider using those type of components in your product, in your branding, your labeling, all of that. If you're targeting a value buyer, it's important to know that going into even your sourcing and your product development, because you want to keep your costs low and provide a high value at a low cost to that type of customer. If you're targeting someone who's looking for high-end luxury, you want to make sure that your product presents that through and through, utilizing super high-quality components, luxury fragrances, and beautiful packaging. If you're wondering who your target customer is, it's probably someone a lot like you. Your first customers very well may be people you already know, such as your friends and family members. When you think about who your target market is, ask yourself a few questions. Where does this person shop? What kind of style do they have? What sort of home decor are they into? What sort of fragrances do they like? Or what other stores like mine do they already shop at? Asking and answering these questions can help you define who your audience is, what they're looking for, and how you can best market to them. With every decision you make, you can keep this in mind, knowing that if, again, you're targeting a natural audience, every time you make a decision about your brand, whether it's new packaging, the way that your branding or your email marketing looks, or your social media feed looks, you can target it to that specific audience. Who's your target market? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!